Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bubble quilt using an easy method. First, gather your essential materials: 2 coordinating fabrics, a soft batting, and a sturdy backing fabric. You'll need to cut 128 fabric squares, each measuring 5 inches by 5 inches. Additionally, prepare 64 batting squares, each 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. This preparation ensures you have everything ready for a smooth crafting process. Now, let's create the individual puffs that give the quilt its unique texture. Take one 5-inch fabric square and center a 3.5-inch batting square on it. Fold the fabric over the batting, making a small pleat on each of the 4 sides. Pin these pleats to hold the batting securely. Then, sew along 3 sides of the square, leaving one side completely open for stuffing. With the puffs partially sewn, it's time to give them their signature plumpness. Carefully insert a small amount of fiberfill into each puff through the open side. Make sure to distribute the stuffing evenly so every puff has a consistent, soft feel. Once filled, sew the remaining open side of each puff closed. You will repeat this step for all 64 individual puffs, preparing them for assembly. Finally, let's bring your bubble quilt to life. Arrange your 64 finished puffs into an 8x8 grid, ensuring your desired pattern. Sew the puffs together in rows, then carefully join these rows to form the quilt top. Next, place your backing fabric right sides together with the puff top and sew around the perimeter, leaving a small opening. Turn it right side out, close the opening, and bind the edges for a beautiful, lasting finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.